We are going to review top 5 best rulers for school. Let's get started. List number 1. WESTCOTT Non-SHATTER Ruler, Clear, 12 inches. This school ruler is pretty much unbreakable, as it's made of shatterproof plastic. You can bend, twist, and even fold it, and it'll return back to its original shape. This also makes it much easier to store, as you can toss it in a backpack without worrying about it snapping. This tool gives you the best of both worlds with centimeters and inches. Its translucent color allows you to see what is under the ruler, as well. It also has a hang hole that lets you store it conveniently. Some reviewers said that the paper sticker uses an adhesive that is really hard to remove and that it gets scratched easily. On the upside, many raved about the supreme flexibility of this ruler. List number 2. Victor Easy 12 PBL Plastic Dual Color 12-inch Easy Read Ruler. This school ruler is dual colored and each color separates inches from metric scale measurements, like centimeters and millimeters. This color coding scheme makes measurements easy to read. It also gives you 1/4, 1/8, and 1/16 increments in between inches, which are a big help in determining precise dimensions. Some reviewers said that the measurements don't begin at the very edge of the ruler. Others said that this ruler is more of a sticker film placed on top of a plastic base. Some also noted that the corners are sharp. On the upside, many reviewers really liked the large size of the numbers and lines, which made it super easy for people to read. List number 3. ARTEZA Triangular Architect Scale Aluminum Color Coded. Most rulers come with a single side. Well, this particular one takes it up 2 notches and gives you 3 sides with different scales. The 3 sides come together to form a triangle, so it's easy to balance this ruler on a flat surface. This means you can read the measurements at an angle that faces you. It uses the imperial scale, which mainly uses inches as units, and gives you different increments in between. Some reviewers said that the printed measurements wear off easily, and others said that the rulers they received were more like pieces of plastic. Many, though, like the 3-sided feature, which makes it easier to read measurements. A lot of people working with blueprints and building plans really like this one too. List number 4. WESTCOTT Stainless Steel Office Ruler with Non-Slip Cork Base. Not everything you measure needs a whole 12-inch ruler. This compact ruler is just 6 inches. It's perfect for measuring small dimensions and small enough to slip into a pencil pouch. It has measurements from both the imperial and the metric scales. This ruler is also bend resistant since it's made with sturdy stainless steel. The cork backing gives it a special non-slip feature, too. Some reviewers said that they received rulers that had a lot of scratches. Others didn't like that the stickers had an adhesive that's hard to remove and ended up damaging the core backing. Many, however, loved the compact size and said it's perfect for bullet journaling. Users also loved its portability and accuracy. List number 5. HELIX 12-inch Steel Folding Ruler. This ruler gives you 12 full inches just like a regular ruler, but it has a hinge in the middle that makes it foldable. This foldable feature allows you to cut the ruler's size in half for easy portability. It also gives you measurements from the imperial and the metric scales. Reviewers really like the ruler's foldability and that it's strong and sturdy. One just noted that because the backing doesn't go all the way to the ruler's edges, it can be a little tricky to draw a line with a pen or a pencil since the tip can bend into the free space. Overall, many reviewers prefer this ruler over plastic models. 12/30 cm dead length steel metal rule. Dead length allows for precision measuring. High-grade steel rule printed with metric and imperial measurements.